We'll guide you through how to modify brush in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to customize brushes in Krita to match their drawing style and improve their artwork quality. Open Krita and begin by clicking File, then New to create a fresh canvas. Set up your preferred canvas size and confirm to continue. Next, select the brush tool from the toolbar. Open the Brush Presets docker and choose any brush that suits your starting needs. Press F5 to open the Brush Settings panel and focus on the options listed on the left side. Click on Size and adjust the brush size to match your workflow. If you are using a tablet, enable Pressure for better control. Then click Opacity, lowering it for softer strokes or increasing it for solid strokes. Move to Flow and lower it for a smooth buildup of color or increase it for stronger paint application. Click Brush Tip and change the shape to a circle or square, then adjust the sharpness as needed. Next, click Spacing and lower it for smooth continuous lines, or increase it to create a dotted effect. Click Scatter and increase it to produce a spray effect across your strokes. After that, click Rotation and enable Random Rotation for more natural variation. Test your brush directly on the canvas to see how the adjustments behave in practice. Finally, click Save New Brush Preset. Give your custom brush a clear name, and save it so you can reuse it anytime in your future projects. This process allows you to fully control how your brush behaves under different conditions. By carefully adjusting each setting, you can create tools that match your personal drawing style. Spend time experimenting with different size values to understand how they affect line weight. Try combining lower opacity and flow for gradual shading, or higher values for bold strokes. Changing the brush tip shape can also influence texture, especially when paired with spacing and scatter adjustments. Always test after making changes so you can immediately see the result. Once saved, your preset becomes part of your brush library,